Hello everyone. Firstly, thank you Anamika ma'am. My name is Jafeer Ansari. I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation Bachelor of Commerce in 2021 from Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Gorakhpur University, Gorakhpur. I was looking for a job. Then I meet my friend brother. He suggested me join Evision. Then I joined Evision 14 June 2022. Evision is the best placement and training institute. I learned Windows OS installation, MS Outlook issue, network related issue, printer configuration, domain joining, troubleshooting, and router switching. And finally, I got a job, Progressive Infovision Private Limited, and now salary package 2.7 LPA. And very thank you Evision team, and thank you.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.